Have you ever heard of NFTs? If you've been around the crypto space or followed recent trends in digital art, gaming, or even music, chances are you've come across the term NFT. But what exactly are these digital assets everyone is talking about? In this video, we'll break down NFTs in simple terms, explain why they're such a big deal, and show you how they're changing the way we think about ownership in the digital world. Whether you're here for the tech, the art, or just plain curiosity, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what NFTs are, why they matter, and how they work. Let's start with the basics. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. Now, I know what you're thinking. What on earth does that mean? In simple terms, non-fungible means something that's unique and cannot be replaced with something else. Think of a one-of-a-kind piece of art like the Mona Lisa. There's only one original Mona Lisa, and even if someone paints a perfect copy, it's still not the original. That's what non-fungible means: unique, irreplaceable. Now, a token is a digital asset stored on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible, meaning each Bitcoin is exactly the same as another, NFTs are unique and represent ownership of a specific item, whether that's digital art, music, a video clip, or even virtual real estate. So how do NFTs work under the hood? NFTs are built on blockchain technology, the same tech that powers cryptocurrencies. Most NFTs today exist on the Ethereum blockchain, though other blockchains like Solana, Flow, and Tezos also support them. Here's where it gets interesting. When you buy an NFT, what you're actually purchasing is a token that lives on the blockchain. This token contains metadata that proves the authenticity and ownership of a digital item. For example, if you buy a digital artwork as an NFT, the blockchain permanently records that you own that specific piece, and anyone can verify that information. This is what makes NFTs so powerful for creators and collectors alike. It guarantees scarcity and ownership in a way that's transparent and tamper-proof. NFTs have exploded in popularity, especially in certain areas. Let's take a look at the most common ways NFTs are being used today. Digital art. Artists can sell their work directly to collectors, bypassing galleries and auction houses. This has democratized the art world, giving independent artists more opportunities. Collectibles. Remember trading cards or action figures? Now imagine them as NFTs. Companies like NBA Top Shot are creating digital collectibles where you can buy, sell, and trade moments from basketball history. Gaming. In-game items like skins, weapons, or avatars can be turned into NFTs. This gives gamers true ownership of their digital assets, and they can even sell or trade them outside of the game. Music and media. Musicians are also getting in on the action, using NFTs to sell exclusive songs, albums, or experiences. Imagine owning a one-of-a-kind version of a song that nobody else has. Let's quickly break down the main pros and cons of NFTs. NFTs provide verifiable ownership of digital assets, ensuring authenticity and transparency through the blockchain. Artists can sell directly to their audience, earning royalties from resales without middlemen like galleries or record labels. The uniqueness or limited edition aspect of NFTs creates scarcity, making them valuable collectibles. NFTs can be used across multiple platforms, such as gaming, where you can own, trade, and use digital assets across different environments. NFTs on Ethereum currently rely on energy-intensive mining, raising environmental concerns. NFT prices can fluctuate wildly based on hype, leading to concerns about a potential bubble. Copyright violations and ownership disputes are common as digital art is often stolen and sold as NFTs. Newcomers face high barriers, from setting up wallets to paying transaction fees, gas fees, to buy or sell NFTs. While NFTs offer unique opportunities for creators and collectors, they come with environmental, legal, and speculative risks that should be carefully considered. Now, let's say you're interested in getting involved in NFTs, whether to buy or sell one. Here's how you can do both. First, you'll need a digital wallet, like MetaMask, that can store both cryptocurrency and NFTs. Most NFTs are bought with Ethereum, so you'll need to buy some ETH from a crypto exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Next, head to an NFT marketplace like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. These platforms allow you to browse through NFTs for sale, ranging from digital art to collectibles. Once you find an NFT you like, you can place a bid or buy it outright. After purchase, the NFT will appear in your wallet, proving you own it. If you're a creator, you'll first need to mint your NFT by uploading your digital asset to a marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible. The platform will convert it into an NFT on the blockchain. You can list your NFT for a fixed price or put it up for auction, allowing buyers to place bids. Before your NFT is listed, you'll need to pay gas fees. These are the transaction fees for minting and listing your NFT on the blockchain. Once someone buys your NFT, the transaction is recorded on the blockchain, and you receive payment in cryptocurrency. Many platforms also allow creators to earn royalties on future resales. So, where do we go from here? While the NFT market is still in its infancy, many believe that it's here to stay. In the future, we could see NFTs used in ways we haven't even imagined yet. For instance, in the world of virtual reality, NFTs could represent ownership of virtual land or property. In music and entertainment, artists may use NFTs to offer unique, limited edition content or fan experiences. The possibilities are endless. NFTs are much more than just a passing trend. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about ownership, creativity, and the digital economy. Whether you're an artist, a collector, or just someone curious about the space, NFTs offer a whole new world of possibilities. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto, blockchain, and digital innovation. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about NFTs. Are they the future or just another bubble?